Hello creative people, I hope everyone are fine. Welcome to my channel. I am Nanduri Lakshmi and in today's video, let's see a showpiece made out of a cardboard. You can also use it as a shelf. So here this is the showpiece which is made out of cardboard and the dolls here are also made by me with clay. You can check if you are interested in my channel. And also if you have not subscribed yet, then do subscribe for more interesting videos, like it and comment it how is it. If you are also interested in the other crafts shown in this video, then please subscribe my channel and also you can check my previous videos for it. So now let's see the making of a beautiful cardboard house with just a piece of cardboard. So I have taken an empty cardboard box and I have marked with a sketch the length and the breadth of it. As you can see here, I have taken the half of the length and also I am marking its topper part. This is only the one side of cardboard, like this. As I have completed marking, now I am going to cut it with the help of a scissor. Now you can see here we got the three sides of cardboard piece. Now let us fill the remaining side of it. According to the length of the cardboard, I have taken the piece which is relative to that and I am drawing it in the curves so that we'll get an effect of a house, the upper part of the house which will have plates, so we'll get that effect. After marking, then cut it and just stick it to the two sides of upper part as shown in this video, like this. So now I am sticking it as to complete the upper part of the house. Like this you can stick it. Now you can see over there we have got the effect of a brick plates which we have on our house. And then you can stick the second part also like this. Like this exactly as shown in this video. Just make sure that you don't get any gaps in between them. Now for the stiffness of cardboard, I am using a glue and water. I have mixed them in a bowl and I am applied it to the cardboard piece, and now I am sticking a tissue paper to that so that it will be stiff and it can hold any weight you can keep in it. I mean according to the cardboard only, according to the size of it only. We can't keep small cardboard and expect much weight in it. So I have with the help of the brush I have just applied it and stick the tissue. Now you can color it with any color of your choice. I am using pink. So here I am also using dark blue for outlining. Only I am outlining the front part. If you wish you can outline the entire house. So I am using dark blue and I am outlining only the front part of the house. Like this with the help of the brush. Guys, if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment it. I mean, you can share your doubts in the comments box. Like this. You can paint it. You can paint any color of your choice. No need to take only dark blue. Like this. Just you will get a good effect. Just paint it in this way. After this I am using the shade of white color. I'll be using shade of white color for the better look. After I will do this. Even I am painting the upper part of the cardboard also with violet. Like this. Yeah, it's done. Now I am taking white color and I am just painting it like a shade so that we'll get a better look. You can also paint the inside of cardboard with any color you wish. Select the better color combinations and they will look like a radiative vibrance. Now you can see I am shading it in white like this. And if you want to stick it onto the wall, then provide something up onto the like a hanging type, so that it will like this hang on the wall. So that's all guys. So you have seen how a beautiful showpiece is made out of a cardboard. So don't throw cardboards, even they can be recycled in this way also. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and say how is it in the comments.